Hey traders! Welcome back to Forex Cracked, where we break down everything you need to know to make smart trading decisions. Today we're talking about the 3 best Forex pairs to trade right now. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, stick around because these pairs have the potential to give you some serious gains in today's market. First up, we have the classic Euro to US dollar. Why is this pair always on the radar? Simple: liquidity. This pair is the most traded in the world, meaning tighter spreads and lower costs for you. The euro and US dollar are both major currencies that react strongly to global economic news. Right now, with the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve both making key decisions, this pair is extremely volatile, giving traders like you plenty of opportunities to enter and exit positions at profitable levels. If you're looking for consistency and predictability, EUR/USD should definitely be on your watch list. Next, we have GBP/JPY, often called the Beast, for good reason. This pair is perfect for traders looking for bigger moves and higher volatility. It's a riskier pair, but if you like to capitalize on momentum, this could be your ticket. With the UK undergoing economic shifts post-Brexit and Japan's yen fluctuating due to government policies, GBP/JPY is seeing major price swings. If you have a good strategy, this pair can really pay off. Be cautious though. This pair moves fast, so set your stop losses and stick to your strategy. Last but not least, we have the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar, AUD/USD. This pair is a favorite for those who love commodity-based currencies. The Australian dollar is heavily influenced by commodity prices like gold and iron ore. Right now, with the demand for commodities rising, AUD/USD is seeing some interesting price movements. Combine that with global economic trends, and you've got a pair that offers some solid trade setups. So, there you have it, the 3 best Forex pairs to trade right now. Euro to US dollar for liquidity and consistency, GBP to JPY for those who want high volatility, and AUD to USD if you're looking to leverage the commodity market. Which one will you be trading this week? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Forex Cracked for more insights that will help you maximize your trades. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.